So you have a sticky note in front of you. Did you have everybody bring pens?
No.
No, that's great. You guys, in my backpack, I have pens. So, on these sticky notes, just write down what you think is in Mr. Justin's backpack.
All of the things are just one.
You know what? You can write as many as you want on that one sticky note, or you can use multiple sticky notes. You have plenty to use. It'll take 15 seconds to do so. Use as many sticky notes as you want, actually. Let's see how many sticky notes we can get on the board. 7 seconds left. Think. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2 and a half. I'm thinking there's 2. Alright, everybody stop. Everybody stand up. Put the sticky notes right up underneath our fancy little doodad. So by the looks of it, you think that I have a lot in my backpack. I do have a pencil. I don't have money. I'm a broke teacher. I'm sorry. I do have a notebook. And I do have an iPad. So let's take a look at some of these. How did you guys come up with and decide what was in my backpack? I want to know. Okay.
Educated guess.
Good. Those are all great. So let's take out some of this. An iPad. Let's see, where's it there? iPad. So I have an iPad. Now, what do you think this iPad says about Mr. Justin? Let's take it a step farther.
He knows how to use an iPad.
Okay.
He likes technology.
Okay.
He likes apps.
Yeah.
He uses it enough to have it in his backpack.
Yeah. All these are right answers. There's no wrong answers when you're guessing, right? No. Okay, so in the literature world, we like to call this making an inference, which is what we're going to be talking about today. So I've heard 2 things whenever we decided what we were doing when we were making our guess. What were those 2 things? We were using our, so making a guess, you use what? Past knowledge, yeah. And you also use some sort of evidence, right? Because if I had a really big backpack, you might have said I had an elephant. But unfortunately, I have a small backpack, so I can't keep an elephant in there, right? So you have some sort of evidence. So who wants to help me create a great little definition right here?
I guess.
Okay.
Based on past knowledge.
Great job, Gwen. Based on past knowledge and textual evidence, right?
Yeah.
Good job. And since Mr. Justin likes math quite a bit, I made us a little math equation. Who wants to take a guess on what it might be? It's inference equals
Past knowledge plus textual evidence.
exactly. And our past knowledge, we actually like to call this, it has its own special word. We call it schema. Yeah. You want to say it a few times? Schema. It kind of just rolls off the tongue. Schema. Yeah, so it's schema plus
Textual evidence.
exactly. And we are going to actually take a little bit closer look at that right now. And we're going to read ourselves. Actually, not read, we're going to act it out even better, right? We're going to act out our very own little play. We're going to kind of make an inference ourselves, okay? So, on the top, under the narrator spot, you see that has 4 parts to it, correct? Who wants to be my narrator? When's our narrator? Okay. Who wants to be the man from Oklahoma? Eli, okay. Who wants to be May? Pretty little May, okay. And then we need an owl. Okay, thank you so much. So, this is our stage, right here. So the narrator, I'll have you stand right here so you can narrate. And then we're going to have our cafe right over here, behind this table. So I need May and Al to go over here. And then our man from OP, we're going to have you come in to do it. Okay, buddy?
Yep.
Great. So we'll go ahead and get this thing started. Take it away, Miss Narrator.
This book takes place during the days of the Oklahoma Dust Bowl, when so many farmers moved from Oklahoma to California because their land became worthless. They had heard of the fertile soil in California. These Okies loaded as many items as they could in their vehicle and drove west along Route 66 for as many weeks as it took to reach their destination. This scene takes place in one of the small diners on Route 66. May and Al are two